Alright, what's good, YouTube? It's your man DJ Flow Games in the building. I'm back with another video. And today, we're watching Family Guy. But, of course, it's called Family Guy Roasting Every Celebrity. I ain't gonna lie, this might be funny. I used to watch Family Guy, like, usually all the time. But I watch it, like, sometimes. You know what I'm saying? But I don't really rock with Family Guy like that no more. So, but, hey, man. This might be funny, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and be safe. God bless you, and let's get into the video. Make sure to subscribe to Family Guy. Love y'all. Let's get right into it.
What is that? It's my magic 8-ball. This is the first black ball that Kim Kardashian hasn't played with. We now return to
Oh my gosh.
as the incredible
Wow, that's messed up,
like
bro.
me when I'm angry. I don't like you now.
He said, I don't like you now. That's messed up, bro.
When we played Truth or Dare with present-day Madonna.
Ugh.
Do I look younger than 90?
Dear.
No, dare.
He knows everything about South Florida. He can help us find Mort. Doorbell, 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 ring.
Ugh.
It's mi casa.
He breathing hard, buddy.
Imagine kind of knowing 2 languages. Just need a little help. Just like how Sylvester Stallone needs help getting ready in the morning.
So what are we thinking this morning?
I like a big face, big fat face with a goatee with a little tiny
Oh my gosh.
And what about for your
What
body?
the?
veins, all kinds of veins everywhere.
He just put in
Rivers everywhere.
whatever face on him.
I guess you learn something new every day.
What is
Like the black eyed
that?
peas.
Like what?
Hey, what's that? This is a guitar. Wow.
Because you're beautiful, Meg. Thanks to you. Come on, let me introduce you to the president. He's kind of like my boyfriend. Hang on, he's still getting ready.
What the frick? Oh my gosh, no.
This fat guy? Yep. Go on, ask him anything. How did? Why are you so fat? Okay.
Really, bro? Why is he asking why he's fat? You know you fat too, Peter. Oh my gosh.
You look Native American. Your name is possibly Jewish. What are you?
I don't have a housekeeper.
Please say
I think you're just
fat.
present-day Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Fat.
No, I am a machine. Every second I'm not having sex with a housekeeper. Robots are killing people in the future.
Okay, I finished for the day.
You lied to me. You do have a housekeeper. Let's go make a large-faced boy.
Thank God, I'm not going to die. What do you
Oh
mean?
wow.
Sure.
Okay.
I'm not going to die, Brian.
Okay.
I'm like Jim Belushi. I am
Bro,
worried
Family
about my
Guy's
funny
stupid,
brother,
man.
though. Food fight! This
Died
is
from a
tragic,
heart attack.
But will also open a door for me.
We
Oh,
now
wow.
return to Extreme Makeover, Bethany Frankel edition.
Ugh. Move that bus back.
Hey, knew
I
it.
bet.
Just
I
like
bet.
Danny DeVito got Rhea Perlman.
I don't know, Danny.
Look, it's either me or nobody.
Sold.
Really?
Oh wow.
Oh yeah, this is nothing. I've been in uncomfortable situations before. Like whenever I meet famous people.
Hey, what's up? I'm Snoop Dogg. Know what I'm saying?
I do! But you don't, Peter. You don't.
But you don't.
We're looking for a friend who's hiding out down here.
Oh, that's
He's
crazy.
a Jewish pharmacist from Rhode Island.
Coral Motel.
Told you. And here's
He's so
Pitbull
stupid and
with
funny,
his
bro.
newest hit, Tinka Tonka Tee Tong Tong Tink.
What? Teen Titan? What the freak?
Adios, goodbye,
Explain that to
amigo
me.
friends. I gotta go get paid to scream. Make some noise in Vegas.
Oh yeah. Peanut butter cup Dorito sausage car panini.
Oh.
Crack a Cadbury egg over the whole
Ew.
thing. I was gonna use my spare glove compartment underwear as a napkin. I can't believe Randy Quaid
Peter,
gets
you're so
things like this
stupid, bro.
every day.
What is that?
It's more ridiculous than the theory of why Tom Cruise runs in all his movies. Wow, that cameraman has nice strong arms. You can't catch me, gay thoughts.
He's right behind you. Yeah,
Harrison Britney Spears.
that's funny.
I know. Oh, the gift basket was not worth the trip, not by a long shot. Oh, I gotta get that. I'll talk to you later.
Oh. He just dropped the baby.
That must be where they do the deed.
Wow, that's not right, bro.
It's at least peaceful and humane.
Oh. Oh my god.
Magic 8
Oh,
Ball. Is the Fox Network sustainable in this new streaming
bro,
world?
this show is so stupid, bro.
No! No!
Kim, what's wrong? A black ball went to waste.
Lois? Where the
If y'all
devil
didn't
is
get that,
everyone?
I'm sorry.
This is more deserted than James Gandolfini's workout room.
He never uses it. Oh my god.
Miss Lohan! Over here, Lindsay!
Lindsay,
Excuse me, which one was Lindsay Lohan's dessert fork?
I think it was that one.
Oh, oh my gosh.
In fact, I see
That's
something in your
nasty,
book.
bro.
Scratch and sniff. Lindsay Lohan goes jogging.
Oh, God, that's terrible.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This show is so stupid, bro. Oh my gosh. This is like Batman all over again. Batman Dark Knight, I think. I think that was the movie.
Now
Oh my
return
god.
to yet another Indiana Jones movie.
Snakes. Why did it have to be snakes?
Elderly potheads. Why did it have to be elderly potheads?
What are you talking about? They look nothing alike. Ludacris looks like a human peanut, and Tyrese looks slick. He looks like a Chinese black. Like Africa and Asia had sex while Europe sat on a chair in the corner of the hotel room and watched.
What?
Ludacris, human peanut. Tyrese, Chinese black. It's gonna be
Tyrese,
crazier
Chinese
than whatever
black.
Kanye West is doing at this particular moment.
Oh my
I'm
gosh.
giving this lasagna a massage while preparing to
Kanye.
announce I'm joining ISIS. Thank you for your interest.
Don't forget, I was in that elevator with Jay-Z. Oh, hey, that's gonna leave a mark. That's from a movie.
What the
So you're
freak?
traveling with your dad here? Hey, don't kick him, muddy shoes. He's got a white suit on. Hey, look, I don't know if you guys are really staying here, but you can't get into the pool without a room key.
Well, I know a thing or two about performing. I mean, after all, I was Vin Diesel's acting coach. Okay, Vin, I like what you're doing there, but I want you to try it one more time like this. Duh!
What?
We now return to...
Duh. I don't get it.
Joni, Chris, welcome to the party. Can I offer you some punch?
No thanks. I had some in the car.
Oh.
Loves Chris Brown was taped in front of a very uncomfortable studio audience.
Oh
I
wow.
just wanted to say I'm a huge fan of your music.
Dang.
You make me listen more.
Oh my
Hey,
gosh.
Ray Rice, would you mind pressing lobby? What, do you got potatoes in your ears? I said press lobby.
This is great, Dad.
I know, I'm having even more fun than when
This show's messed up. This show's definitely messed up.
went Fiona apple picking.
Dad, they're all bruised and filthy.
Yeah, these might be throwing at Buzz's apples, not eating apples.
Please,
Oh my
Mr. Cobain,
gosh.
look, I know you're depressed. Made some bad choices with women, but there's another way. Haagen-Dazs. Lots of Haagen-Dazs.
What the freak? Oh, he went back in time.
Well, let's see if it worked. Here we go. Ha! You're still alive.
Wow, he kept eating them and he got so
Much
fat.
denial since John Travolta married Kelly Preston.
John, do you take Kelly to be your wife?
I totally do. I mean, yes, absolutely. And I'm gonna do stuff to her too, like touch her.
Okay.
Yeah, touch her and kiss her and touch her penis. I mean, no, not that.
What? What's this? Michael Jackson.
Wow! It looks like Michael Jackson's coming right at me.
Yo!
Just like Kobe Bryant.
You want the truth, Kobe? Did you rape her?
Yo, that Michael Jackson one was funny, bro.
What were we talking about?
And the Kobe
Some of
kiss.
our
Oh my
finest actors
gosh.
started in news, like Sean Penn.
Today's weather calls for breezy skies and sun.
No.
Get that camera out of my face.
Oh my gosh. Yo, that Michael Jackson one was funny, man. You can't ignore that.
Who did this to you?
Oh my gosh. What's happening?
What about Babs? Forget about yourself for a second, Carter. Look what has happened.
Oh,
to Jonathan Lipnick.
I understand.
Yeah.
I understand.
You're right. You should
Ew.
probably take care of that.
Oh, that's the
Yeah.
coolest George Clooney there is.
Hi, George Clooney, second worst Batman.
Peter Griffin, second best Homer.
It is what it is, bro. At least you played the movie.
Practical jokes
Played
on
in the
set.
movie.
One time, I nailed Nora Dunn in the head with an apple.
That's hilarious, because you're
Dang,
handsome.
bro.
Otherwise, you're just some dick who hit a lady.
And you're done. Clean out your locker.
Oh.
Kicked out?
Hey guys, that's the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more content. All I gotta say is Family Guy is the most stupidest show of all time. And like, bro, the Michael Jackson one, bro, that was funny. I'm telling you, man, that was so funny, bro. I swear, that was so funny. Where he just got out the movie theater and just grabbed the kid. You know what? Love y'all, man. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Be safe. God bless you. And peace, man. Love y'all.